yellow car. Did you guys enjoy that ride? Had a few people who liked it. When the train comes to a stop, please unlatch your comfort collars. Push and pull from that person next to you, right hand side in, right hand side only. While you're still in the park, don't forget to check out Twitching Colossus. Welcome aboard, racers. Please put all items in the pouches provided. If you're looking for the pouch, you may not right with you. Closing these.
Okay.
Goodbye, yellow car. Enjoy your ride on West Coast Racers.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that run, but the next one is
So now we got to watch a video.
Right now, the West Coast crew is below you, working on your ride. Matter of fact, let me go check on
Oof, oof, oof.